Hello. Oh, I'm live streaming. You need bruv. I did a bunch of coding yesterday. I did loads and loads of coding. And I kinda fixed up meme game. But I've still got a lot of coding to do. A relatively decent amount of coding. To be perfectly frank with you. I decided I'm gonna make a nesting system. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, GMD. How's life? How's this fine Monday for you? Right, so we're gonna finish up this animation with Wazowski, because I'm kind of sick of just having to work with him for so long. So let's set the right window layout. Streaming V2. Yep, my day was good. I actually had took a nice day off from work today, so I could code some meme game. Did some stuff. I reckon it'll be a pretty straightforward task to finish Wazowski's animation. Bad tunes, you're waiting for me. Well, I'm glad to be here. And I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that we can get Wazowski up and running. So, what I did is I gave him a simple test animation. He just throws the shard. It only works the second time though. You see it through it. Okay, I'll do him a bit further away. Yeah. See, look, he threw the shard and it hit Memoring Man. I'll show you again. That's not how he's going to throw it though. He's going to throw it from above his head. I just wanted to do that for testing purposes, didn't I? So, since that is the situation at hand here, what I was thinking is, so he has his animation where he, okay, so first we need to do the animation where he picks up the bad boy, the shard. So that's the first step. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Sort of cool games, Enchanted. Nice to see you. So when he picks up, he's going to stop moving. And he's going to do the pickup animation, which is this. Well, okay. Not quite, but it's going to interpolate in the animator, so it'll look correct. So he's going to pick it up. And then he's going to stand back up. And then he's going to hold it above his head. And if the player is nearby, he will throw it. So let's do that. So in our Mike Wazowski script... Oh, I fuck my life up. Great stuff. So here, I made a to-do. To-do needs to stop moving. So all we need to do is we need to get the enemy movement controller. That controls all the movement, if I can spell. Enemy movement controller. Save it. Enemy movement controller. Save it in awake. We'll just get the component from the inspector hierarchy. Enemy movement control. Sometimes I should take breaks. Nah, man. How am I gonna get a meme game up and running by the time I hit 10k subscribers if I take breaks? To be honest, this guy that I'm making right now is on the complicated end of enemies. I reckon a lot of the other items I add to the game are going to be much more. Also, another big realization I had yesterday while I was in bed is, I'll show you, is at the moment, it was only basically possible to add like one meme at a time. So like, if I wanted to make an item, it would have to be one meme. But I'm like, you know what? Well, the beauty of Meme Game 1 is that items combine different memes together. And it's kind of shit to just to try and have like one meme per thing. Why not have a system that lets me just add whatever memes I want? So like, for example, sexually identify as an attack helicopter. when you get that, the meme helicopter, helicopter also plays. And in the menu, it'll show it's a combo item, and you can click on it, and then you can see like the individual parts that meme is made out of. Because like, you know, the goal of Meme Game is also to document the memes, not just to be like some crazy game. It's also to document them. So yeah, you'll be able to click on it, see all the individual components, all the individual memes that makes up it. And yeah, should be good. The last streams were fire. Thank you. Appreciate it. So yeah, and another example is, I was thinking Lao Gan Ma, you know, the Lao Gan Ma sauce. When you get it, I think the social credit meme should happen. And then John Cena saying that thing in Chinese. So like, a bunch of these green arrows should show, a bunch of these guys should spawn, a bunch of plus 15 social credits, and this should just spawn all around the screen with John Cena going, sure, hun, 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 hun. And yeah. It'll give you social credit. You want a pick-up line competition? Yeah, to be fair, I forgot what it was that you said, but it was absolute fire. So the enemy movement controller, we need probably a boolean that's like disable movement. Public bool disable move disable movement, yeah, that's fine. Get set, and in the move function, move towards player, or should we do it in move? Nah, we'll do it in here, it's better. If disable movement, return. And we should also do that here just for efficiency. Why not? We'll do it under here for efficiency. Okay, so we have the enemy movement controller. Now, what we can do is we can set this dot disable movement to true. Then it picks up the thing. My Spotify is way too loud. Oh no. Pickup line was go or your browser because I want to wipe your history. Oh yes, I love that. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. My ears get so itchy with these headphones, but I don't care. I should probably disinfect my headphones. Probably a good idea to clean it once in a while. Okay, so starts chasing, pick up animation. We need to save if we are currently holding something. Private bool is holding shard. I mean, it's going to start off false, but in start chasing, it should only do this if is holding shard is false. Because if it's already holding the shard, it doesn't need to pick up another shard, does it? Exactly. So if it's only if it's not holding a shard, do that. Then in the event that gets triggered once the shard is picked up or set, is holding shard to true. And then I guess to do spawn shard in hand. So let's see if that worked. Lots of steps to this Wazowski. I'm going to put him over here. Oh, I just re-enabled Duolingo, by the way, just for now. I mean, I'll probably disable him before I release Meme Game, but since I've already made him, may as well just have him around, because it looks cool. And it looks like I've done more work than I have done all this work. It looks like I've done more work than is actually going to be in the game. So we want Wazowski to start off a bit far away, so we can test out this interaction.
It doesn't do the way.
So, here we go. Hey? Hello? Is there an error? Missing reference exception. My god. Oh my god. Unity's crashed already in the first 5 minutes of the stream. Let's go, boys. Record time. Every day we're setting new world records. Okay, let's force quit Unity. Reopen that shit. Why is Unity so unstable? Huh? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué is Unity so shit? Eh? He's so shit. Throw shard. Okay, let's disable this coroutine throw shard. Because it's temporary. At least Unity loads quickly. We need to put him on a different screen to make it easier to work with. Oh no, he went all the way there. Oh, for fuck's sake, just fucking work already. There we go. Right. Hello, Jamshot. How is it going? Nesting system to get over this fundamental problem. Yes. We'll do that later. So, let's just close a bunch of windows. You know, a clean code editor is a clean mind. So let's close everything we don't need. And then only open Mike Wazowski Sully. We'll pin him because he's highly important to our operations. Your boy Mike looks crazy in the live thumbnail. There's a live thumbnail. Or was it the thumbnail that I made? I may have made a thumbnail. Hey, Unity's meant to be on the screen. Oh, he's all the way over there? Nah, grim. Disgusting. Fucking one of yous. Mike Mazowski. Hey? Error? Oh, because, yeah, now that I'll just delete this, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, you know. If you know, you know. Humongous mouse. For your eyeballs. Okay, so you play. Pick up shot. Did he? Oh, he did do the animation event. Okay, look. How about he only starts chasing once we get really close to him? I reckon, at least for now, start chasing 2. Stop chasing 6, yeah. Apply. And he can start... Well, the gun. Oh, what? It's not got the right layout. Layouts. Wreath and streaming V2. Oh, I selected V1, that's why. What does a live stream thumbnail look like? Let's see. From an outsider perspective. Oh, yes, no, it's my custom thumbnail. You like that? That looks pretty cool. So. Disable movement, true. Pick up anim param. So it disables the movement correctly. That's for sure. Ugh. Ah. We have to go very close. So yeah, so when we get close to him, he picks it up. Yeah, I think he bends down enough. Yeah. So let's look at the console to see if it prints out anim event, the correct animation event that we're looking for. Play. Yep, picked up shard animation event. Lovely. What is this set default parent shit? Ah, okay, yeah, that's fine. That's just setting the default parent. Do I have mods? As in like moderators or mods for the game? I do have moderators on Discord, but right now my community is rather small, so I don't really need any more for now. Poland. Yeah, very interesting. What does that mean? Would you like to translate for us? So, he stops moving, picks up the shard, and only then should it spawn the shard. I don't know why it's spawning... Why has he already got a shard in his hand, huh? Hey? I'm walking here. Mike Wazowski. This. Let's find it on his bone. Actually, on this bone, we can go and find it ourselves. Shard gun. I wonder if we can just disable spawning a new one until we tell it we want to spawn a new one. You took your ass to Poland. Oh, why did you take your ass to Poland? Okay, we've got to modify this projectile throw gun slightly. Because right now, in start, it creates the projectile in the holding state. When in fact... we'll have... I got it. We'll have a setting to create the projectile in holding state manually. Should I have this setting on the inspector? May as well. Serialize field, bool, create projectile in holding state manually. Create projectile in holding state manually. Attack. When do we call attack? We'll figure that out later. Create projectile in holding state manually. So we'll only do this if this is false. And same here. And create projectile in holding state manually is false. Maybe I should rename it to manually create, just so I can see it in the inspector easily. Because now I've kind of fucked the inspector because my screen is so zoomed in. So yes, the last time you did something is back. His very cryptic name that he still is yet to explain. So let's change this projectile gun to manually create it. Apply as override in prefab Mike Wazowski. Play. Now he's no longer holding the shard. Picks up the shard. Okay, so when he picks it up, that's when we create here. Spawn shard in hand. We need a reference to the gun, I think, in here. Oh, yeah, we have a reference, I think. Weapon holder dot current weapon dot what's current weapon? iWeapon dot get dot game object dot get component projectile gun throw gun. So var throw gun equals that. We'll keep it in a nice local variable for simple future usage. Yo, SCP. The general idea for him is he's going to pick up a shard and throw it at you. And while he's picking it up, we're disabling the movement. So we disable the movement and he starts chasing. And then here, after he's finished picking it up, what we can do is we can re-enable the movement. So set disable movement to false. So we have the reference to the throw gun. We're going to do throwgun dot create. I believe it's a private member. We must make it public. There we go. Throwgun dot create projectile in holding state. Cool. This should work now. He should bend down, pick it up, and it should spawn the shard. Point of view. Someone comes to stream. Everything is out of context. Use some coding. Pure. Poop his pants and leave. Yeah, pretty much. That's like the hard part about streaming game dev. Like normies like you, unless you like already know what's going on, wouldn't be able to understand and will just leave. But you know what? It's about the YouTube video. It's all about the YouTube video. The new re-edit was amazing. Thank you. Appreciate it. There was some small re-edits, but like overall, I think it's a much better flow. Much easier to watch. But yeah, these YouTube videos I'm going to make are going to be so cool, because it's going to be me making some crazy ass memes that anyone could enjoy. You don't need to understand game dev at all. You just stumble across it, you're like, what the fuck? Mike Wazowski has bones? What's going on? And then you're so intrigued, you want to like watch what I'm doing. So, let's see what happens now. Whoa, Unity's full screen. Alright, fair enough. Hey, see, you picked it up and the shard spawned. Let's try again. Oh, object reference not set to instance of object. It bugged out the second time. Let's see why. Let's drag the console here so we can see the error message a bit better. Error message, where are you? Object reference not set to instance of object. Handle shard. Let's see, it's coming from here. Oh. Why? Weapon holder. I'm glad you love it. It was re-edited, but actually it was only slightly re-edited. It wasn't like anything big. Maybe you just liked it better the second time because you already had context for what's going on. Why does it glitch out the second time? What is not set to an instance of the object? Ah, current weapon? Maybe it's current weapon. Let's set the debugger and investigate. Investigatory material. Lag. Okay, here we go. The debugger has stopped. And what is not set to an instance? Current weapon is not set to an instance of the object. Weapon holder is, okay. Why is current weapon not set to an instance? Hello, Jamin. Haven't seen you before. Hello, Losh. How's it going? How is it going? Current weapon index. When do we call add weapon? Oh, probably here. In the Mike Wazowski Sully gun. Init. It should have called init first. Let's set a debug point there. The meme, oh my god, is playing in my head. Which meme? There are loads of oh my god memes. Yes! Oh my god! So initialize the shard gun. And then, when we get close, it's here. Current weapon actually exists. We can disable that. Okay, and then the second time round, it initializes the shard gun straight up. And the issue is, here, the current weapon is null. So let's set a breakpoint here, and then see what happens when we walk near him. Current weapon, null. Why is that? Current weapon index is null. And why is current weapon index null? Where do we set it to null? This equals null. Remove current weapon. We don't call that. It must be this handle play mode change. Been subbed for a while but never watched these streams. Decided to watch one today. It seems interesting so far. Nice. Yeah. Come chill, vibe, hang out, watch me create meme game. Hey, lazy man. What's up? What is up, my dude? So in handle play mode change, current weapon index gets set to null when we exit play mode. Ah. So I'm guessing that this awake function gets called before this runs. And does that make sense for it to be called before? Handle play mode change. I guess play mode change triggers. Well, let's see. When does on play mode change trigger? Does it trigger before or after we spawn in all the new items? On play mode change, reset level for play mode exit. This is where it respawns all of the items in the level, and that happens before we call on play mode change. So it actually makes sense for the awake of this to be happening before the on play mode change. Okay, so I mean, one option is to just remove this completely, but I don't know if I like that. That's kind of hacky, and it might break some other stuff. So another solution is to just init on play mode. Or what if we init on start? Here, let's try doing it on start and then leaving a comment. Init on in start, because handle play mode change of weapon holder will set the current weapon index to null after the awake. Okay, let's try that. That should be the solution we need. I thought no more programming streams. Well, happy to be back in the old ways. Unfortunately, there has to be some level of programming to all streams. Like, I am making a game. It's just much less programming focused. But like, yeah, towards the end of making an item will probably be more programming. And I've actually been thinking recently, like, maybe it's worth just doing the programming on my own, so I don't have to code on stream, and then doing all the interesting, like, Unity stuff on stream. But we'll see. We'll see. Because the thing is, I also don't know when I'm gonna have to code and when I'm not gonna have to code. Because, like, something pops up, like a bug, I'm gonna have to fix it there and then before being able to continue. So that's why, if you just want to see, you know, the easy to watch shit, watch YouTube. Watch the YouTube videos. Okay. So it picks up the shard. Nice. Let's try again. Oh, not set to an instance. Okay, it worked then, but when we exit game mode, it's weapon holder. So we can't do this in start. Or how about we just do the actual initialization stuff here, and then in start we do this stuff, because that is the issue here. Yeah. Hello, Hacky. I'm working on Wazowski still. I want to be finished by him today. I'm going to try and get him finished today. Because, honestly, I've been spending way too long do this in start. Okay. I didn't need to save it because now it's recompiling based on Unity. Ah. Didn't crash. Okay, let's try again. So he picks up the shard. Nice. Exit. Enter again. We pick up the shard. Nice. And he doesn't walk until he's got the shard, which is good. Maybe the animation event should happen a little bit later. Of him being able to start walking. Here, pick up. Yeah, let's put the animation event here. And let's see what happens. Yeah, okay, so now he starts walking later. I also want to make his arms flail about less while he's walking. I should add Duolingo. Alright, let me just add him in Brainfuck. I'll just do it in the language Brainfuck and save. And then if we go back... Whoa! What's this? Duolingo? In one line of Brainfuck? Let's see how he works. Oh, shit! Mad! Oh, shit! It's Duo. With some audio. I'll have to click on notifications. You're welcome. See, I'm such a great content creator. I listen to my fans. Why is VS Code complaining? Oh, because I'm trying to save it in Brainfuck. Haha, pranked. I didn't know either. You just gave me the idea, and I just made it. Not joking, bro. A very insightful comment, Losh. I love how you feel the need to add an exclamation mark on Discord only. This is a Discord only voice channel. So yeah, I don't like how much his arms flail about when he's walking. I don't know if that's natural. So here, where do his arms go? Okay, just make it a bit more subtle, you know. Just a little bit, just a little. Just a tad bad. So it goes like that. His arms can be a bit less here. Then we can copy this, paste it here. Let's see. Does that look legit? His arm kind of detaches, but you can barely see it. I mean, we could modify it slightly to make it look a bit nicer. Should we try it? Okay, we'll spend 2 minutes on it. If it takes longer than 2 minutes, then it's a no-go. Operation No. Where is it? Man. Where is it? Oh, general. Hiding from me, little shit. Who the hell do you think you are? Skinning editor. Nope. Skinning editor. I need to get better at this huge fucking mouse. So I believe what we do is we go to the weights brush and just add do we add like that? Bone, select the bone. Yeah, increase the step and the hardness. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks a bit more natural now. His skin actually stays attached. And here as well. When he does that, maybe just add a little. It doesn't really matter on this side too much, but just a little bit. I don't know. Reset the pose. Apply. I reckon that's good. Let's try it. Oh, we can preview his walk animation like this. Like so. Nice. Now he's got a nice stretchy shoulder. That looks a bit more legit. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Let's not get bogged down in the details. Okay, so if we test him out, walk up to him, picks up a shard, he runs, and he kills himself. Okay, Duolingo is too close. I need some personal space here, okay? Thank you. He do be walking. It do be that kind of a vibe. Picks up shard, walks, and then... You know what? He should go straight from picking up the shard to holding it above his head. So what that means is, in the Mike Wazowski script, he picks it up, he creates a projectile. We need to trigger, or we need to set the animation parameter for is holding above head. And I believe I just called it is holding above head, but always better to check, triple check, and quadruple check. Is holding above head. Yep, it's just called is holding above head. I'll save that as a private const string is holding above head. Equals is holding above head. And simply put, we will set the animator. Animator? Where's the animator? Oh. Enemy.animator.set bool. That to true. Right, let's see if that worked. Walking up to him, picks it up, and then he holds it above his head. Lovely. And then he needs to throw it. I realised... Well, firstly, that happens too fast. He holds it above his head too quickly. Or is that too fast? I don't know. Let's try making it a little bit slower. Okay, no, never mind. Yeah, let's just make that a bit slower. So, if I go to the layer that contains the... Whoa. The hold above head... I believe we just change the transition duration to something a little bit higher. And he will now do it a bit slower. Yes, perfect. That looks way more natural. That is so cool. And then he should throw it. So... Do we have an animation event for is holding above head? I think we do. And I think we've already subscribed here. Handle throw... Oh no. Handle throw shard anim event. So he straight away holds it above his head. Maybe we should have an event for... Once it's finished. The next meme is going to be the fidget spinner. It's just going to be a floor that rotates. Gonna be simple. And then I was thinking maybe you may spank it once. Donkey Kong. And I want the next few memes to be very quick to do. I don't want to do this long ass memes like Wazowski with all this complex animation. I mean, it's good, but like once in a while. But before that, I'm going to make a whole system to make it so I can combine memes together. And that will make it so much better. That will take Meme Game to the next level. Because I was in bed yesterday, and I was like, you know what? Meme Game is just like kind of dead to play. Like, it's really cool in terms of like technology, but in terms of gameplay, it's kind of dead. And I realized it's dead because of the restrictions I've placed on it. The artificial restriction, which is that I wanted... Like, when I first came up with the game, I wanted anyone to be able to create a level with just memes from a certain era. So, like, if they wanted their level to be 2005 themed, with just 2005 memes, or 2008 memes, or 2016 memes, they could do so. But I realized that doesn't work. That just doesn't work. Unless I create so many memes that like every gameplay mechanic is fulfilled by every meme from every era, which is not going to be the case, because firstly, the memes from each era don't have an obvious way to actually, you know, be implemented as that gameplay mechanic. So, you know, it's kind of stupid to try and do that. So, yeah, this new direction I'm taking is hopefully going to make Meme Game a lot more fun. It's going to make Meme Game a lot more like Meme Game 1, which is just crazy memes just flying around and combined together. But I think actually the fun part of Meme Game, and like where the like crazy fun experience comes from, is by the combination of different memes together. Like, there's so many ways in which you combine different memes. Like, sounds, text, images, effects, like, anything, literally anything. I want to add "it's time to stop." Filthy Frank being like, "it's time to stop," and that just like slows down or speeds up time. Because I've already coded in a whole mechanism to slow and speed up time. I just need like an actual like reason, which is, I think "it's time to stop" is perfect. I don't know any other time-based memes, but if you guys can think of some, let me know. Yeah, fidget spinner terrain meme basically. Yeah, I want to add different types of terrain, like interesting terrain, not just like blocks. Like in Meme Game 1, all the terrain is just blocks. So the kind of terrain I have already is just basically a rock. Fuck her right in the pussy from Meme Game 1. Shit, I haven't used this in ages. I wonder if it still works.
Fuck her right in the pussy!
Okay, cool. And if I send it to the back?
Do you know the way?
Fuck her right in the pussy!
Nice. And then this Apple Pro stand, you can make some interesting shapes with it, I guess. Let me turn off the volume because it's kind of annoying. Yeah, just interesting terrain. And a rock. Anyway. So, is holding above head. So once is holding above head is true, once it's finished holding above head, it should then check. We don't want two things checking. So ideally in this proximity event, we should save if it's currently chasing the player. So private bool is chasing player, and we'll set that to true here, and then in the proximity event, player proximity event stop chasing, we'll set it to false. Why are you complaining? Oh, because I didn't break. Always got to break. Have a Kit Kat, have a break. A Kit Kat, a Kit Kat. Can't speak today. I should do like vocal warm-up exercises before I stream so I can speak fast. Because my brain just works so much faster than my mouth is able to operate at. I need to suck more dick. Is chasing player, stop chasing. Okay, so basically, if is chasing player, is holding shard. If is holding shard and is chasing player, we want to throw the shard. But we need to check for this continuously. So an update. Yo, what's up, Bad Tunes? You've been awfully quiet. Should we check for it in update? I guess it's just a simple boolean check, right? It's not gonna like lag out the game. So if is chasing player and is holding shard, then what we want to do is, okay, this should be empty. What we want to do is trigger the throw animation like this. And then we want to set is holding shard to false. I think that should do the trick. Let's see. Let's have a little gander, cheeky little one-on-one gander with the lads. Okay, so go up to him, picks up, and he throws it. Picks up. We need to wait. Okay, yeah, what we'll do is we'll have an animation event for when he's finished picking it up, and once he's finished picking up, we'll set a Boolean variable to true, and then we'll check if that is true. So public void handle pick handle shard hold above head anim event. What's up? A PP break? Not quite yet. I only go when I need to. Do animation events trigger at end of transition unity? Done transitioning into the next state. We'll see. We'll log it out and see when it happens. Debug.log finished holding above head. Hacky. So animation hold above head. Let's see what happens when we put the animation event here. Function handle hold above head. Okay, let's see in the console what happens. So it says finished holding above head. Whoa. Oh, because it's looping. I see. Let me filter out by this so it's easier to see. Oh, interesting. So it does wait until the end. Which is good. So we will have a boolean private bool is holding above head. I'll rename this to anim param. I should have had that anyway. Is holding above head anim param. Enemy.animator set bool that handle shard hold above head. So he set is holding above head to true. So we only want to do this if is holding shard and is holding above head. Then we'll set this equal to false. We'll set this equal to false because it needs to pick up another one. But let's see if this works first. What's the update of Mike's animation? Two very interesting comments. Death is kind of weird, how you can just not exist. Yep. The update of Mike's animation. It does this. Okay. Picks up. and then he throws it, and then at the point of which he throws it is when it should actually cause it to be thrown. So let's just do that. So throw, I believe we have an animation event at this point, and that is when it should be thrown. So we do in this point here, throw shard anim event, we will do gun, projectile gun. Damn. Let me see what I had before, because I've lost it now. Here. Attack with current weapon. Let's just copy and paste all this. Get component in children. The Mike Wazowski gun. Init. Do we need to init? No, we probably don't. We can just delete that. Everyone goes through a phase where they stop, where they realize death exists and it's a thing, and it's like, you get used to it. Whoa. Okay, so it threw the shard, but the shard disappeared. Where did it go? Where did the shard go? Shard. Shard, clone, bone. Oh, it's stuck to Wazowski. Why do it be stuck? Why is the shard gun disabled? Oh. Huh? Why is the shard gun disabled? Shard gun. Throw gun. I'm confused. Who said shard gun can be disabled? Shard gun is enabled. You go up to it. It gets disabled. Is that because we attack? It must be this attack with current weapon. Oh. Is it because the ammo's Let's set a breakpoint and see what's up. Don't need that. Can get rid of that. Where are we now? Current ammo. Current ammo is 0. That's why it's not doing anything. Why? Why is current ammo 0? It should have an infinite ammo provider that I added. But it does not. Kind of sussy. This is sussy. Oh, it should be on the parent. Infinite ammo provider. Did it not get set on the prefab? Okay, let's just stop the debugger for now. Very morbid conversation you guys are having. Morbius. Infinite ammo provider. Adds ammo 1. We add ammo to the weapon. Oh. Oh, in play mode change, it sets the ammo to 0. So, is that what we want? Do we have a starting ammo? Do we need to do this? We probably don't, because it resets the whole scene now. Let's just get rid of this. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. Hacky actually knows Danny. He knows with Dammy. Dammy? Do the shards do damage yet? They should, yes. Because it's using a component, a reusable system that I already coded. But, I mean, I did kind of design it to work with enemies when I designed it, when I made it, but I never tested it. So, but now it's working-ish. Oh. That's not meant to be happening. So I think the shard is colliding with Mike when he throws it. I think, but we did give him a time before it can collide. So I don't know why it collides instantly. So let's look at the shard. The shard gun? No, the shard. Shoot force, time before spawn. Another one. The distance before can hit. You see, it should dist before can hit thrower. Let's see why this isn't working. Ooh. Oh, square magnitude. So if the distance between the projectile and the weapon position, let's log that out. Debug.log. Let's just log out vector2.distance between these two bad boys. To do, remove. Okay. He means that he's not allowed to leave the country because my man Putin ain't allowing it. Let's see. We're making progress. Oh. Oh. Dist before can hit thrower. I mean, it's an enemy, so it shouldn't really. We shouldn't punish the enemy for being shit because I coded him to be shit. So let's allow him to be shit. How about that? That's the solution to our problem. We're gonna let the enemy be shit. Oh. Manually create projectile, apply to prefab, shard gun. Oh, it's on the shard, I think, that we were operating in. No, not shard gun, shard. That distance before can hit will make that 3. Although 1 seems quite high already. I don't know why it was still hitting him straight away with 1. We'll see. Yeah, it still hits him. Set ignoring collision between the thrower rigid body. Wait a minute. Where do we set it to true? Oh, here. Olde Meme item dot rigid body. On trigger enter. On trigger exit. Can hit thrower. Set ignoring collision. Projectile collider. Okay. It's not ignoring the collision. Debug.log. Let's not debug.log. Let's set a breakpoint. No, we're not even running the debugger. Okay. Oh. Projectile.collider. Collider 2D. It has a collider. Huh. What's going on? What is going on? I mean, good news is we can not make him shit. We can change him back to not being... We'll just make this 1 again. But let's see what's up. Oh, all these breakpoints are getting in the way. Throwable projectile. Does it even get to this point ever? Because that's not even being called. Projectile collider exists. Okay. Should ignore to true. It sets that in its start method. Alright, Hacky, it was nice having you. See ya later. Bad Tunes keeps offering his vodka. Vodka's not good for you, you know. Do you know what the average life expectancy of a Russian is? It's absolutely mad. Should ignore. Should ignore. Should ignore? Yeah, it should ignore. Okay. We can continue that. Set ignoring after distance. Okay. So it is meant to be ignoring it, but it's not. 13 colliders. Gets the attached colliders and ignores it. Everyone gets vodka. That's not good. Just because everyone does it doesn't mean it's good. Don't be a sheep. What's this? On trigger exits. Number of colliders currently triggering with. Oh. Oh, does it need a trigger? I think the shard needs a trigger. Let's look at... Okay, let's stop the debugger. Let's look at the stonks arrow, because I think the stonks arrow has a good trigger. Stonks arrow... Nope, not the Photoshop file. We want to look at the actual prefab. Yeah, so it has a detector, which is a... Is it a trigger? It is a trigger, yeah. And the parent contains the actual collider. Okay, that's fine. So let's just add a... We don't want the shape of the trigger to be wacky. Okay, shard. We'll just add a... Create an empty trigger detector. Just make it a... Fox Collider 2D. That'll do. That'll do. Yo, what's up? Yeah, vodka is a Russian stereotype. It causes the life expectancy to go all the way down. Oh, you're a Muslim. Okay, good. Good. That's your saving grace. Otherwise, you'd be dead by now. Not good. That is not good. You're not. Trigger detector is trigger. On the stonks arrow, do we have a special layer for the... God damn it. For the trigger detector? Projectile. Oh, maybe it needs to be on the projectile layer. Shard. Yes, layer. Projectiles. Change children. Trigger is trigger. Okay. Now it should be in tip-top order. Let's see. Will it work? Oh, it just killed. Oh my god. Why is he just self-harming himself? We need to do the ragdoll. I'm going to add that to the Trello so I don't forget. But we need to do the ragdoll at some point. Photoshop. Do ragdoll and sound for Waz. Call him Waz. Hey, Toby. Hello. Vibin'. Vibe-laxing. Right now, he's being a little bitch and he's hitting himself and I don't know why. Look. What if... Let's see if it's actually an issue with our logic or if set ignoring collision is just being called wrongly. So, if should ignore is false, return. To do remove. So we only want to ignore it. Your name should change bad genes to bad grammar. That's a good idea actually. Bad grammar. That's ironic. How ironic that I'd be the bad guy, Kryptonite the Green Chronic. Okay, so it's actually just genuinely not setting the distance. It's nothing to do with this. It's not setting the ignoring of the collider. Projectile, collider, ignore collision. Between everything seemed to be in ship-shape order when we did it, so I don't know why it's being a little bitch. Hello? Why did it not work? Why? Okay. So, number of colliders, 13. Projectile. Shard. Tag? Doesn't need a tag, does it? Doubt it. Collider. It's got its own rigid body. This rigid body is Mike Wazowski. Oh. Should ignore false. That's awfully quick. On trigger exit. Oh. Number of colliders currently triggering with. The shard do damage. It do indeed. Can hit thrower after time. Can hit thrower. What's the damage rate? I don't know. It's probably going to do like some small amount of damage when it hits the player. It shouldn't be calling this on trigger exit. On trigger exit has exited throw triggers. Well, it clearly hasn't. Thrower. Okay, I'm gonna call this where is it? I don't like this can throw projectile. We're gonna call it projectile thrower. Can throw. What else do we? Projectile throw. Hello, the monkey. Hello, badger. Error. Yes, indeed. A slushy. Very healthy. That's some good shit right there. Does the weapon work? No, it doesn't work. It keeps hitting himself. It's so annoying. And I don't know why. It's because it's using this system. And this system is ancient that I built ages ago. And I don't know how it works. So it might... Oh. It's going to be something stupid, I bet. It's going to be something so stupid. So let's just see how this little system here works. On trigger enter. Can hit thrower. Throwable projectile dot can hit thrower. What's this? Efficiency. Okay. Whatever. So it gets the thrower. if it hasn't exited thrower triggers, so it's still like overlapping with the thrower, and projectile thrower is not null, and projectile thrower dot game object equals, yeah, then num thrower collider is currently triggering plus equals 1. Okay. And then in the trigger exit, I mean, let's debug this. Does it ever increase? This is a stupid bug. On trigger exit. But even if we didn't have this, it still collides with itself. So like, even if I disable this temporarily, and then we do it, it still fucks itself. How about what we'll do is, if it shouldn't ignore, we'll just return, so it can only do it. And we'll set this, where are we going to set it? In start. Olde Meme item. Let's look this up. Unity, physics, 2D, ignore, collision, not working. Let me take one more look at the stonks arrow. I bet we're missing something tiny. That is stupid. Stonks arrow. It's untagged. It's on the layer projectile. Circle collider. Arrow. Sorting group. Not working, let's see. Both game object must be active and enabled. If not, collisions cannot be ignored. If you disable the game object, then the setting is lost. Ooh. Okay, what else did he say? The code assumes that the script is on the same game object as the collider and that the missile. Okay, I don't know what that means. But wait, I remember it not being active before for some reason. So let's keep track of shard. Hierarchy shard. Was it active? Would it be active when it sets it? Me Man was in Fortnite under the name of Diamond Hands. Damn, really? Let's see it. Diamond Hands. Oh shit. Stonks. Two identical collider 2D shard. Let's look if we got an extra collider. You have a polygon collider. We have a trigger. Okay, you know what? It's kind of boring for you guys to watch me coding and fixing this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make him a ragdoll. And then I'm going to call it a day and fix it. My Chrome logo. That's just the normal logo. It's the new updated Mac logo. Ragdolly, yes. I know you guys are excited for the old ragdoll. So I believe to make him a ragdoll, all I need to do is just chuck on this ragdoll manager I made. Colliders to disable in ragdoll mode and colliders to disable in non-ragdoll mode. Let me check how I did it for, I don't know, like maybe Chad, because Chad is a Chad. So Chad has a... Where's the ragdoll manager? Where are you? Where's your ragdoll manager? Oh, it's here, okay. So, colliders to disable in ragdoll mode are the lower left and lower right leg colliders, which we have. And then, in non-ragdoll mode, we want to disable, so basically in normal mode, disable the bones in his leg and forearm. Oh, because they're triggers, okay. Huh. Okay. The server. Die. Damn. Okay. So, Ragdoll Manager. He's on here. So, in Ragdoll mode, we want to disable the foot colliders, left foot and the right foot, and in non-ragdoll mode actually we don't want to disable anything in non-ragdoll mode because with Chad we want to disable these bones on his leg. Oh, we should add some feet colliders here. Collider. Box collider 2D. It's gonna be huge. Of course it's gonna be huge. Make him a tiny little boy. Little. Teensy tiny little boy. Like that. Lovely. And boneless pizza on this one as well. Box collider 2D. Shrink them down. To be a little boy. Like that. And then in this ragdoll manager, we shall disable these bones. Bone, was it bone 10? We'll drag that in. Bone 10. And bone 13. Rigid body. Just the rigid body here. Rigid body mass on death. What's his mass normally? Should we make him really fat? He dies. Oh no. No, we want to get him out of the way, so 0.43. I don't know. Knockback force on death. Time before disabling. Animator. That'll be instant. What did we put for Chad? Chadacious 1. Knockback force on death is 1. I think this needs a negative knockback force of minus 0.9. Cheese? Why am I always working on Mike Wazowski? That's a good point. These things take time. Ragdoll is literally me drinking 5 Ribena. Apply. Okay, and then what do I need? Do I need something for the hinge joints, I think? Ragdoll body part. Yeah, I just need to add a ragdoll body part. To the bones. Yeah. Okay. Should I add it to this? Or this? Because I can only do it on one. Because his arms are quite long, maybe on this rag. We'll do it on in the prefab. What are the changes we have? Oh, just some transforms. Ragdoll body part. Ragdoll body part. We'll make this a ragdoll body part and this a ragdoll body part. Okay, it should work as ragdoll. Let's try it. Exit prefab mode. Play. We need to give him a weapon. Let's give him some coronavirus with a bunch of ammo. And that. And then shoot him to death. Cool. He works, he's a ragdoll. Wazowsk. No, come back. Oh no. That's quite funny. Gmod. Do you guys like the ragdoll? He just died. Because the coronavirus does damage over time. It like, he dies after a sec. Wait, let me shoot him a couple times. Wait for him to die. he just keels over. That's funny. Alright. What do you rate my Mike? No. No. Michael Wazowski. Wow, what a shame for the poor guy. Fucking die, bitch. Alright. Cool. Ragdoll is done. See, the server is die. Well, the Discord server has died. This is now a 7-day to die server. Oh no. Oh no. Eggman is coming. What are we going to do? Alright, the ragdoll is done. I'm pretty happy with the ragdoll. The monkey gang. My server. Join my server. Oh no. Help me, I am stuck, Wazowski. It's just so much fun. It's so satisfying just watching him just... How many does he need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boop. 1, 2, 3. Does he die properly this way as well? Yeah, he does. Nice. Little bitch. Little bitch, who do you think you are? Alright. I reckon I'm gonna call it a day. And I'm gonna fix this stupid bug. It's so annoying and it shouldn't happen very much again in the future. It's been a while since I've actually been working on... Hey, look, it's Duolingo. It's been a while. It's been a minute. So once I realise how everything works again, it should be good. Hello, Salam. I'm about to go. Alright. Sozfells. Fellyfells. Wazowski, yeah. I gotta make his weapon work. Might take a while. Alright. Alright. Bye. Bye. Bye.